But the harvester trims down the hornwort plant, the dark evergreen Christmas pine looking plant when it grows to the surface.
There's a sawed board.
The what?
There's a board down there that's been milled.
Oh yeah. But that conveyor belt that's hooked up to the front of it is going to be taking up trimmings from scuba divers and the harvester. Those trimmings are turned into a compost called bobcat
There's a
plant.
big bass.
Yeah, I was just about to say that.
This is a nice bass. I think that's going to be the Guadalupe bass. I think. Over to
Tell
our
me
right
about
side,
all the bass you were
wetlands.
catching.
It's going to be shallow waters, lots of aquatic vegetation, where the baby fish are going to hatch and grow until they're mature and ready to come out to deeper waters where we are now. It's also going to be where a lot of turtles are sunbathing around the bend, and some birds will be migrating over there. Right now we have cormorants and grebes. Grebes look like little ducklings. Cormorants look like black ducks.
So neat.
Also, that boardwalk is free if you guys do want to venture out after our boat ride.
I wish Owen could drive.
Now Ellie wants to drive the boat.
No,
I
I want
the boat.
Owen to.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't have
That
you,
could not
but
be allowed.
Come back when you're older and maybe you could work here.
Well, my niece goes to Texas, goes to this university, and
Awesome.
I tell her she needs to do this part, but she
Yeah,
doesn't yet.
I mean, it does pay minimum wage, which obviously is not very fun, but because it's owned by the university,
look at that.
they work with my class hours. They don't give me free for my only work 2 to 3 shifts
Yeah.
a week.
Oh, and
only
stop.
6 hours.
Cichlid
Oh,
or
and
bluegill or whatever.
you're gonna miss seeing the fish.
I wish we could like sit there.
Yeah, there's a lot of nice
I know,
blue.
right? It'd be really cool if you could just lay down in the glass.
There's one of those sick.
Now, right here's gonna be the deepest area of Spring Lake, between 25 to 30 feet. It's gonna be
This doesn't look
close to
deep.
30 feet. Since we've been getting rain, all waterholes are back to where they used to be.
There's some sunfish down there, you know.
That doesn't look that deep.
Over, it's also part of the Bob Gneiss Fault Zone. So, around a million years ago, there's an active fault line, which means there's tectonic plates being pushed together, there's earthquakes happening, and eventually, the earthquakes allow these cracks to form, allow the springs to form, and then with the tectonic plates being pushed together, there's pressurability. One tectonic plate is going to lose, be forced to go up. So if you look over to our right side above the boat, this is a tectonic plate that lost those first grew up creating Texas Hill Country, where all the slopes and hills were created, where they start. Over to our left, you can tell it's flat. So that's the tectonic plate that one that was able to stay flat the way it wanted to, creating the Blackland Prairies. And those will actually reach all the way down to the coastal plains. That's going to be like Houston and Galveston. But it's pretty cool. You can see these two Texas landforms were created here. This is where they meet. Also, if you guys have any questions, please do feel free to ask.
Ellie only has questions like, can I drive?
Why can't I fish?
I want to dive in there.
You can fish downstream.
Yeah.
You just have to be careful with that Texas wild rice grass. That's one of our 7 endangered species. It's really pretty. It's bright green. It looks like mermaid hair floating around.
Hmm.
And that's going to be at Sewell Park. What's today, guys?
Oh,
there's a
turtle! Big one.
Big one.
Yep, he's gone.
Sorry, it's hard to stop my boat and then turn back while that animal is moving.
Oh, that's okay, we saw him.
How fast does this boat go?
This is my full